I want to take a minute to introduce you to our two preferred brokers. Navigation Trading does not have any affiliation with TD Ameritrade or Tastyworks. We simply use them as our preferred brokers for their technology, their competitive commission rates, their stability, and some of the other tools that they make available to you as an individual retail trader. So if you just go to navigationtrading.com/brokers is where you'll get here, and then you can click on both buttons. You can click on TD Ameritrade to learn more and open an account, or you can click on Tastyworks to learn more or open an account. The other thing I want to point your attention to is the broker comparison commission tool that we've created. So if you click on the yellow button, it's going to download a spreadsheet, and this will pop up here. And basically what this allows you to do, depending on what broker you use, or if you just want to compare two brokers that you're not using, you can input their data for options, stocks, kind of a trade activity that might mimic what you do. Some brokers have ticket charges, some have per contract commissions or other additional fees and charges, exercise and assignment fees, etc. So you can input all that data and compare one broker over another. And it's amazing when you look at this over the course of a year, based on your trading activity, sometimes there can be a huge difference in the amount of commission you spend each year from one broker to another, depending on the fees that they charge. So take advantage of that, just a kind of cool little comparison tool. Quick note on TD Ameritrade, at the time of this recording, they have just recently lowered their commissions. So if you're trading stocks, there's zero commission to trade stocks and ETFs, zero commissions to trade ETFs, and just 65 cents per contract on option trade. So very competitive. It's kind of a race to the bottom. So by the time you are watching this video, they may have reduced them even further, but that's where they are at this point. And then if you go back to Tastyworks, to give you an idea of their commission rates, they are a little bit different and slightly lower. They basically charge you $1 per contract to open the trade, but $0 to close, and that's on options. Now there is still a $5 charge to open a stock trade, and then futures are $1.25 to open, $1.25 to close. And futures options are $2.50 to open and $0 to close. So a little bit different structure. The other benefit with Tastyworks is if you are trading a large size, like 20 contracts or over 20 contracts, just give some examples here. So if you're trading 20 iron condors, then you're actually getting your commissions capped. So the most you can do is $10 to open. And if you're obviously trading 2 legs, that's $20. And if you're trading 4 legs, that's $40. But if you were to trade more than that, so if you were to trade 40 iron condors at a time, you're still capped at that $40. So if you're trading more contracts, that's going to end up being a little bit more competitive for you. But it's your choice. We also have members who have other brokers if they live in a country that doesn't have access to TD Ameritrade or Tastyworks, or they just prefer a different broker. So the strategy, as long as they have a good options trading platform, you can use those to trade. But if you do want to open an account with either of these, use our link. It helps us with negotiating and technology and some of the cool features and indicators that we're using to put on their platforms. Hope that was helpful. See you in the next video.